Hello, my name is Josh from Highlands Ranch, Colorado, and welcome to our Greatmats story. Last year, we decided to put in a backyard basketball court. Take a look at a few pictures from our installation. We were very excited about the final product, but we were a little concerned about the safety and the overall look. After doing some research, we came across Greatmats. Greatmats had some great color combinations. We chose a navy and a graphite for our court. Installation was super easy, and the tiles just snap into place like putting together a puzzle. So very easy, and we completed that. From a court perspective and a playing surface, we're very happy. It's super grippy for basketball, and we love the additional safety aspect of it rather than just a concrete slab. So thank you, Greatmats. We love the product.